Venery puppies. Don't hoard the puppy. Who is this?
Dots. No, yeah, Dots.
Dots. Girl.
Dots, look. Dots.
Hey. Hey, woo. Okay, got her. Here is orange collar, black and red. Boy or girl? Boy or girl?
I don't know.
Boy. Boy. Okay.
Hi, Fat.
Next.
Pork chop. Oh, pork chop number 2.
Then we have a dark sable male, no collar. Put your head right. There you go. All right.
What's behind you?
I know, you're going to have to get them behind me because I don't think the lighting is going to be good. All right, so here we have black collar male on my left and girl, what collar is she?
No.
No collar girl.
Yeah, no.
Hey. Hey, guys. Okay.
Sorry.
You're going to have to go back over there, though, because... Okay. So, obviously both black and red.
This is black collar.
That's a black collar male. And who's that?
No collar.
No collar male? Okay, got him. We got her. This is plaid collar female. Hey.
What's that?
Okay. Who's this? Blue. Probably a male. Blue collar male. Black and red. Hey, why do you guys always look at the floor? Okay. And then we have a blue collar sable too. Right there. You got caught. This is
lime hop.
No, that's blue. Light blue collar sable male. Hey, hey, buddy. Hey, hey. There we go. Now I got him. Is that it? I don't know.